How to make money with Google Maps $100 to $300 per day. Did you know you can make $100 to $300 per day using Google Maps? Let's break down the method. So, first would be help businesses optimize their Google business profile. So, fix missing info, add services, upload photos, and manage reviews. Charge $200 to $500 per setup plus monthly management. Second, rank and rent listings. Create and rank a local listing, then rent it to businesses for 500 to 1,500 per month or sell leads at $30 to $100 each. Third, offer local SEO. Help businesses appear in the map pack bundle with website apps SEO for $300 to $800 monthly retainers. 4. Create virtual tours. As a Google trusted photographer, you can charge $250 to $1,000 per tour as published on Maps. And 5. Manage reviews. Monitor, respond, and improve ratings. Offer packages at $100 to $300 per month. Google Maps does not pay you directly, but businesses will focus on profile optimization, rank and rent, and SEO services to hit $100 to $300 daily. And that is how to make money with Google Maps.